Okay. How hot is it now?
Again, I was very tempted to say something there. But
Ashley.
I'm going to...
Turn it on Fahrenheit. We're not in the UK. Stop.
No.
Yes.
It's bothering you, so no.
You like when it bothers me.
I love when it bothers you. It's my entire reason for being.
Oh, so that's why you were born, for bothering me?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that makes perfect sense. Wait.
Gross.
Thank you.
Toy.
Bum ba da bum ba da bum ba da bum bum ba da ba ba da ba 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 da ba ba.
Krabby Patty!
Okay, you're weird.
You're the one who was just singing the Krabby Patty song.
That wasn't it. Stop talking.
I'm not talking, I'm making noises.
Same thing. Same difference.
Well, I can never tell with you. Your talking sounds just like random noises thrown together.
That's what they are.
They're not random though, they're patterns.
525 degrees Celsius.
No,
Look at that thing.
it's 425. Learn to read numbers, dude.
Wait, what did I say?
525.
Sorry for my bad grammar, okay? Sorry. Jeez.
You can't apologize for
Stop roasting me.
See, I would roast you, but my mom doesn't let me burn trash.
Hey, that's my joke.
You shouldn't have told it to me.
Exactly.
It's too late now.
There's a hole in the circuit board.
There's a hole in your face.
I never knew that.
I did. It's always making these weird noises.
Cool. Ugh.
What?
It's burning.
What do you want?
Stop it.
Make me.
The soldering iron is very dangerous, people. Uh-oh.
Only one handled by idiots like you.
Why are you being so mean?
I'm always mean. Aren't you used to it?
True.
A little piece of metal got in my hand earlier.
I'm glad for that.
And it felt like I got stung by a bee.
Finally, Fahrenheit.
Put it back before I use this on you.
Don't use it on me, Ashley. Don't you dare. Don't use that wretched thing. I don't know what... Ow. Ah! My head!
Your hairless head.
Ugh. So long, circuit board.
Smash.
Subscribe to the channel, by the way. We were just doing that for fun. Subscribe to this guy. Look at his face. Subscribe to him. Okay? Bye.